look what came today. I'm very excited. I am super excited about this. This is my Greenstalk tower garden. Got 2 of them because they were on sale. So they're 5-tier, original, and luscious green. Pretty. Well, this is the water part that goes at the top. Open me. Setup instructions. We'll do that later. Your Greenstalk was packed by Daniel S. Thanks, Daniel. Feels like there were some seeds. That's exciting. They sent me seeds. And then these are the little watering parts that go in between each tier. Oh, these are bigger. So this is how big one tier is. That's pretty good size. I'm excited about this. Alright, I'll open these. Here's what the box looks like on the inside, and then it just came with this. It does say free garden goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Some stickers. Oops, sorry. And a gourmet blend lettuce. Cool. I wonder if it's the same in both. So I got 2. Probably the same. It's okay. Okay, what else is in here? Instructions. So I got this one, the original. They also have one that's a leaf that has shorter tiers, but you can have 7 tiers instead of 5. And here's the assembly instructions. I do have dirt to put in them, but I'm not doing it today because I'm running out of sunlight. So that's how the watering works. It starts from the top and just goes down to the bottom. Interesting. Haven't decided where I'm going to put them. I also haven't decided if I'm going to plant both. I probably will, because why not? All right, I'm going to get these out, and I think I'm just going to set it up. I won't put dirt in it right now, but I at least want to set them up and see how tall they are, because I'm pretty short. I'm like 5'4". Heavy. Too heavy without dirt. It'll be fine. I'll set them here, then I'll move the box. Okay, so cute little stickers. I love this. And this one's so cute too. I'll have to put those on my water bottle. And here's Daniel. He packed my order. And then it came with these. If it's backwards, I'm sorry. Gourmet blend lettuce. Cool. So I have 2 of these. I want to just open this up and see if I have the same seeds. I'm assuming that I do, because it makes sense. Yeah. Same seeds, same stickers, but these are so cute. And I definitely have plenty of water bottles to put them on. Okay. Setting those there. So, I've already watched these on YouTube being set up. I kind of already have an idea. And of course, I'm going to have to take this back apart when I'm filling it with soil. But essentially, there's this little round part here. And we're just going to stick this on there after it's all filled to the top with dirt. And then we just keep stacking. You guys can't see that. It's just it's gonna be a lot heavier when there's dirt in it. Okay, so this is 5. That's not bad. And then this is the watering one. Like that. So nice. I'm excited to see what I plant in here. I have a bunch of seeds coming. So I'll tell you all about them when the seeds get here. Hopefully by the end of this week I'll have the rest, because I'm just waiting for one more package. I think. Cool. Well, now I have to take it back apart. Okay. I'm gonna leave it out there in the box, in the same box it came in. But I'm super excited. That will be a ton of fun. And then this box here, I haven't opened it yet, but that is I can never think of what to call it. It's like the fabric that goes on top of your garden. Wheat fabric? I don't know, but I'm not going to show you right now because it's too dark out there, but I just have a little bit of dirt. I live in a townhome, so I don't have like a huge yard at all. It's mostly cement out there. But sorry, I'm making this go crazy. But anyway, I don't have much garden out there, which is mostly why I got the Greenstalks. But I do have just a little bit of dirt, which I think I'm gonna grow the pumpkins. Oh, I haven't even told you my seeds yet. One of the seeds I'm getting is pumpkins, which you'll find out later this week for sure. But anyway, I'm just telling you right now. But I got some little of the teeny tiny pumpkins, and I was thinking I'd just plant them there and let them go crazy and kind of take over my yard. Because I have never gardened before, but I do have a sister that has gardened, and their pumpkins went crazy one year. So I kind of want my pumpkins to do that as well. So I just have a million pumpkins, but we'll see. Anyway, so I don't really want to plant anything that I'm going to eat in that dirt just because I spray for like cockroaches and stuff since I'm in southern Utah, and if I don't, they will be all over, and I do not want that. So anyway, for right now, I don't want to plant anything that I would eat in the ground. So I'm excited for my containers to be up and ready. I do have soil for one of the towers, but I need to go get I think like 3 more bags of just container soil. So yeah, I'm excited for the coming weeks. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.